You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this originally American brand of watches if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including watch names, brand names. Stay tuned, I've got luxury brand names too. The Danish pronunciation, in case you're wondering, because it's a word, brand name from Denmark. Skagen Denmark. In English, it's normally pronounced as Skagen Denmark. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.